together. The only thing he knows is that he'll be doing time. So now you're locked inside your house and now it's only you. So hold a mirror up to yourself, see how others see you, because we're all in this together. Brothers and sisters forever. You've been sleeping way too long. Your house is on fire, the whole world is burning down. You thought living was easy when your eyes were always closed. So time to open up your eyes, see you're not alone, because we're all in this together. Brothers and sisters forever. We're all alone together. Because we're all in this together. Brothers and sisters forever. We're all in this together. Together. Because we're all in this together. Brothers and sisters forever. We're all in this together. So like it or not, we're all alone together. Now walking on his fields all alone. His wife and his friends have all died and gone. I wonder what he's thinking. Does he ever think of me? His only son, who should have carried on the name of the family. Son of mine, does he think I turned out alright? Moving to the city, stayed out every night, played some music, sang some songs, sat up on the stage all alone. The farmer's son, who's now full grown, the prodigal son who never came home. The place I need to go back to is a place Sometimes you can't find yourself with a bright light shining down. It's Saturday night, I'm all alone. I think I'll go down to Voodoo Daddy's and maybe see what's going on. I got some money, just got paid today. I'd like to have a few drinks before I fade away. But the place I need to go back to is the place I left behind. All my life I've been running, didn't know what I would find. Moving to the city, headed on downtown. Sometimes you can't find yourself with a bright light shining down. See myself when I'm walking on the city streets all alone. My friends and my family are far away back home. But the one thing I learned, you can never go back to the farm. You never get a second deal once the dice has been thrown. Well, the place I need to go back to is a place I left behind. All my life I've been running, didn't know what I would find. Moving to the city, headed on downtown. Sometimes you can't find yourself with a bright light shining down. Everybody wants to go to heaven, but nobody wants to die.